Within LUXORliving, there's a couple of centralized functions that you can use. You've got a central off, but what we're going to look at here is just the panic function. And you can see that's on the iPad control itself. You can link what channels you want to that panic function and what actions you need to carry out. So when I press the panic function, the panic is activated, certain lights will come on, and the blind will go up if you've decided to connect the blind into that panic function. Nothing else can be done on the system whilst the panic function is still actuated. So you need to deactivate the panic function, which is simply press the button again, and the panic function is deactivated. And all the channels that are connected go back to their existing, to their previous status. As well as having the panic function available on the screen, you've also got the option to put the panic function onto a switch. Now in this case, we've got this linked to a Tabor ion switch. So you'll have the same action here. Hitting the panic function, the lights will come on, the blinds will go up. And then to deactivate the panic function, press the button again, and all the channels, the blinds and lighting channels, return to their previous status.